Alright, first time commuting to work on my Onewheel. It's a fantastic day today in Singapore and it's about to rain, so I'm just gonna very quickly make my way to the MRT. Getting lots of funny stares from people. Probably haven't seen a Onewheel before. I'm sure they must have, at some point in time on YouTube, but I don't understand why everyone's looking at me. It's so weird. Okay, we're now at Marymount MRT. Okay, struggle with the dismount. Let's go. Gonna turn it off for a while. Quite tempted to ride it in MRT, but it's not allowed. So in case anyone out of Singapore is not aware, skateboards, Onewheels, and any form of motorized device is not allowed in our public transport. In this case, we're talking about the MRT right now. It's called the Mass Rapid Transit, taking the train. Almost ended up on the wrong platform. So right now I'm going to Clarke Quay. The Onewheel is actually much heavier than the Evolve skateboard, so especially if you have the street wheels on, the Evolve boards actually become a lot lighter as well. But I guess with the craft and ride handle, it's a little bit easier for you to carry around. Just imagine if you can use the Onewheel of the MRT. You could then just Onewheel from that end to this end. So maybe that will happen sometime soon. That annoying time when you exit the MRT and realize that you have to walk from one end to the other end. Oh wonderful, the escalator isn't working. So I've seen somewhere on the internet that there's a device that you can install and replace the bumper, the front and the rear bumpers of the Onewheel, and you can convert it into a trolley. My worry about installing that accessory is the amount of wear and tear it will be subjected to, given that the Onewheel is such a robust product. I'm not sure whether it can stand up to all the abuse, so that's the reason why I didn't buy it. But if there's anyone familiar and have actually tried that product, please let me know in the comment section below. Bye-bye. Bye. First stop done. And now it's just Onewheeling all the way to my next and final destination. I'm getting a bit of a blister from carrying the Onewheel. Yeah, I'm a bit of a weakling. So believe it or not, I've been making the marinades at 8 Korean Barbecue for the last 6 years, and because I'm such a stickler for consistency, and that's the reason why I make sure that I come every other day to do all my sauces. So that's pretty much what I do on a regular basis. I would visit the shops, look at the sauces, say hi to everyone. And now I'm on the way to Juba. I've never ever done a vlog like this before. So let me bring you on the tour Over here is the National Gallery Singapore. And that's MBS. A very iconic landmark in Singapore. So PMD regulations are extremely strict these days. The good thing is that accidents involving e-scooters have gone down dramatically ever since the legislation came out to fine perpetrators or anyone who flouts the PMD rules. Any e-scooter exceeding 20 kilos will automatically be impounded. Oh, Joel? Oh, I'm like about halfway to my next destination. All good. I have arrived. I made it. Made it to my workplace. Yes. What are my thoughts after doing a full commute from home? If I'm gonna compare it with an e-scooter, with the Ultra or with the Raptor, even the Dualtron 2 Limited that I used to ride, it's a full replacement for a vehicle, and I still stand by that. I'm gonna have a cup of coffee.
Okay. Ice. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, I should try.
Ice Americano.
2,470.
Oh. Okay lah. No, I make about $60 a month from YouTube.
How much is the minimum, is it?
Huh?
Do they have a minimum?
I have no idea lah, but I guess it's just something that I find therapeutic to do. Since no one indulges me. Hi. Since no one indulges me in my techie stuff, so at least I have an audience to indulge me in all my tech related stuff. Because I believe somebody out there on the internet will be interested to hear what I have to say.
That sounds so sad, but so motivational at the same time.
Oh really? Was it very motivational?
Yeah, also motivational. I'm gonna start YouTube channel tonight.
Is it? Okay. Okay. I have a new subscriber watching my videos right now.
I don't know what's happening. Basically, he went on a...
Yeah, I went on a cruise. My Halong Bay cruise is quite exciting. Evidenced by these three ladies watching. That's the speed the boat is traveling at, which is 13 kilometers per hour.
Damn slow eh.
Yeah lah, I mean not speedboat ma. You know, go too far how to speed. Nothing like letting my guys try the Onewheel. Oh. Come on, escape. Oh yeah. That's gonna do it for today's video. I thoroughly enjoyed riding the Onewheel to work, and as always, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, comment below if there's anything you'd like to say, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.